Hi, this is just a quick tutorial to check if your door is aligned properly or if it needs some adjustment. I will follow up on another video of how to adjust the door, but this is a simple way to check. Come to your door. I'm doing this freehand, so open up your door. Push the handle down so it's in open position. Push your door over and mark where your little rollers, locking points are. Rollers, mushrooms, deadbolts, and just give them a wee mark on the frame. Oh. So if you just get a pencil in and just mark where your rollers sit on the door, and then open up your door, and then again put your door into lock position, push it against, and this will show you where the rollers cams or the locking points are sitting on the keep. If the roller is sitting about central, that's fine. If it's sitting away over here, the door needs to be adjusted that way. So once you've opened up your door, just check your little marks, and this will show you where they are aligned against the keep. And this one here you can see is pretty much in the centre. If it was sitting, say, ignore the top line, down here, that's probably why your door's been sticking, or you can't lock it properly. You've got to pull the handle up and actually move the door up to get it into lock, so your door needs to go up the way. This will also affect the centre latch area, because if your door's dropped, your latch won't latch in properly, your deadbolt won't go in properly. This door actually could be doing with being adjusted upwards because we're sitting right at the bottom. So we could push this door up about 5mm just to get a better feel and lock. Also, if your door's a little bit rattly, like it rattles, got a wee bit of movement, you can come to these little cams. Normally take a 4 or 5mm Allen key, and you can turn these left or right so the roller either goes to this side or that side, and that will help when you push the door in and pull your handle up to pull the door in.